depth. You've got two overall categories known as the central nervous system, which strictly involves your brain as well as your spinal cord, and then you have your peripheral nervous system. So that's why whenever individuals have damage to their spinal cord, that information cannot be sent to the rest of your body. The peripheral nervous system includes all your nerves, which helps you move and do other motor activity. Okay? All right, so when it comes to your peripheral nervous system, again, that's strictly focusing on your nerves. We break that down even further into the somatic nervous system as well as the autonomic nervous system. I'm going to skip ahead to the next slide because this just gives a better visual representation. So we've already established the central nervous system as well as the PNS, and then we've got the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. So the somatic nervous system includes all of that voluntary control, such as if moving your arm, moving your leg, walking, running, etc. Things that you can voluntarily control. When it comes to your autonomic nervous system, these are things that, again, you can think of autonomic like automatic. You don't have to think of it. You don't have to tell your stomach to digest. You don't have to tell, you don't have to tell your heart to beat, things like that. It just does it automatically. Now, under the autonomic nervous system, we break it down even further into the sympathetic versus the parasympathetic nervous system. And this is important to know for a test. Whenever we experience or we perceive a threat, our sympathetic nervous system will kick on. That's what's known as our fight or flight or freeze response. So we either fight the situation, run from it, or we may be so petrified that we freeze altogether. So once that perceived threat is taken care of, we then will see our parasympathetic nervous system come in and calm us down. It basically the rest and restore side of the autonomic nervous system. A quick example of this to show how both quickly interact is that, let's say that you're scrolling through your phone or you get an email or whatever the case is, and somebody has sent you, or you stumble across a video that is a jump scare, right? The car is moving through, up the road. It's a nice, peaceful image or video, I should say. And then out of nowhere, you see like this ugly, terrifying demon face that's screaming at you. Well, automatically your sympathetic nervous system will kick in because it perceives a threat. And so that's why you get that sinking feeling in your stomach. You get like frightened, all that. But almost as soon as that sympathetic nervous system kicks in, and then you understand that the perceived threat is no longer a perceived threat, it was just a jump scare, your sympathetic nervous system will come in automatically to come and calm you down. All right?